Balochistan National Party is a secular political party that believes in the right of self-determination of people of Balochistan through a peaceful and democratic struggle. It wants sovereignty and is fighting against the forceful occupation of the territory by Pakistan. But in return, Pakistan continues killing Baloch people in an attempt to suppress their voice. On October 13, 2010, Min Noruddin Mengal, a central leader of Balochistan National Party Mengal, was gunned down in Kalat town. BNP leadership termed the incident a case of target killing by state functionaries and linked it with the murder of Habib, Jalib Baloch and other leaders.
Since the day one, BNP is struggling for the right of self-determination, and vocally our political worker, our leadership is raising voice against the attitude of the federal government and the establishment. I think that this is the reason behind the killing and abduction of our political worker and the leadership.
In Kalat, Kharan, Quetta and various other places, people staged protest rallies against target killings, kidnapping and arrest of BNP leaders. BNP leaders said they would continue their struggle for self-determination.
They aim to doing such a thing. It might, it's in their mind. It might push us backwards, and we'll withdraw from our struggle, and we'll give up our struggle. It's not that. See, our struggle is not individual; it's a national struggle, and every national struggle can't be suppressed by the force or by the kidnapping or by the killing.
Pakistan Army and intelligence agencies have run amok in Balochistan. In October 2010, Pakistan Army launched an offensive in Mashki town and its adjoining areas. As many as 40 tanks and 4 gunship helicopters were used in the operation. Houses and shops were raided and burnt. Many people were kidnapped by the army and were taken to undisclosed locations.
Federal and the provincial government is still saying that there's no operation, and even the minister of the sitting cabinet, they have walked out from the assembly on the issue that there's an operation in the Mashki. Still the provincial government, and they're denying there's no operation. So if we are wrong, what about their cabinet minister? They are saying that the operation is there.
Since the civilian government came to power in April 2008, it has not been able to deal with the military and its intelligence agencies that are responsible for the disappearances and extrajudicial killings in Balochistan. During Gilani's regime, hundreds of Baloch activists have gone missing after their arrest, and many political leaders have been killed.